Right Honorable Chibuike OFR, Chief Dan Obe, Chief Ferdinand Olabraba. Sir Kenneth Kobani.
Honorable Commissioner, sorry, one second.
Okay, one of that stand and maybe I will have.
Who will agree make a blocker? Who will agree?
Today, the 26th of November 2022, we are here to commission the Rukpakwulusi Eliogbolo New Art and has 6 kilometers for the use of humanity and mankind. In the name of God the Father, Amen. God the Son, Amen. And God the Holy Spirit. Amen. Construction of Rukpakwulusi Eliogbolo New Outputs, executed and commissioned by my humble self, Governor of River State, on this 26th day of November 2022. To God be the glory. Amen. Professor Ngozi Odum, the chairman of the Elders Council, traditional rulers who are here, particularly the Yenwele, Rubokoro, and members of their council. Our dear leader, Osiji Okocha, members of the State Executive Council that are here. Sorry, you know, these press people, these cameras, they just block you. Let me recognize each and every one of you that came with me and those who are here to receive us. Our very beautiful women dressed gorgeously this afternoon. And our dear youths, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, Okorosu Banmeka, Okorosu Banmeka, Abiabosu Banmeka, Anmeka, Ndriyama, Ma. Let me thank the Okoro communities and the entire people of Ward 7 for coming out here in your large numbers to receive us. Today, commissioning the Rukpakwulusi Eliogbolo new layout. I have said before, and I've said oftentimes, that what is governance when your people are not happy? For me, good governance must show that the people are happy with what the government is doing. And so as we are coming in, you can see how highly elated. I got some text messages from even those whom I didn't even know that stay in this new layout. Some of them told me that they have lived there for the past 12 years. And it is a thing of joy for them to see today that the internal roads of this area have been done to its completion. And so we are also happy that the people are happy. No reasonable government can be happy when the people are not happy. But when you see that people are happy, of course, naturally, you will also be happy. And again, to commend you for supporting the local contractor that we use in doing some of these jobs. OCMAS has shown capacity, OCMAS has shown commitment, OCMAS has shown seriousness in every job we have given to them. And I want to urge the company to continue with what you are doing. I know that you're also doing work in Omawa. You're also doing work in Ababu, leading to Odido in the Ebowa local government. So for us, we could not encourage our local contractors if they can show commitment, if they can show seriousness, which Okmas has done. So I'm happy. But let me also use this opportunity. I hear a few days ago, the former governor of Rivers State said that he did a lot of roads and flyovers in Port Harcourt. He did not make noise. What is all about the noise? I didn't see the flyovers he did. If he did the roads, mention the roads. Did he do this? Rukpakwulusi, Eliogbolo, new layout? Did he do it? But let me even tell you why we should celebrate. In May 27, 2015, at Obio International Conference Center, when he was having his birthday, he said, the Niger State, to the glory of God today, we have the best campus of Nigerian Law School in this country. So why should you not celebrate? Why should you not celebrate? When you sold our gas turbine, $308 million US. Convert it today at even 500. How much will it be? What can you show for the money? Certainly not. You promised your Ogoni people that you are going to do Sabunwa to Bori. You did not do it. To the glory of God today, we have done it for Sabunwa to Kono. Dualize with street light, not less than 25 kilometers. Why would we not celebrate? You promised the Calabari people that you are going to do Trans-Calabari Road. Did you do it? By the grace of God, this December, we are going to commission the first phase of Trans-Calabari Road. 8 years in your office, you say you're going to complete Anthony Opopo Unity Road. Did you do it? You ran away with the money. By the grace of God today, we have completed the Opopo section and we are still working at the Anthony section. Why would we not celebrate? We have done from Chokocho to Igbodo, the boundary between Imo State and Rivers State. It refused to do it. What did you do in Ahuda? Nothing. Nothing. What did you do in Nomok? Certainly nothing. I've gone to your local government to do all the internal roads in Isobo, which you refuse. I'm today doing Igrit internal roads, which is in your local government. I'm today doing Omagwa internal roads, which is in your local government. Today, we have almost completed Anu Omagwa Road, which is in your local government. I've given you a school in your community. Even the house you are living, I did the road to your house. So when you say people are, what are they making noise? It's not noise. Reality. Reality. And we're happy with what we have done. And the people are happy with us. I know when you built the secondary school in Elekaya, Rebisi, every ambassador in Nigeria, you will carry the person to that place. Just that small school. Every ambassador that came to this state, you will just enter vehicle and carry the ambassador to that small school. And then you are asking us, what are we celebrating? We are celebrating when you are leaving the airport now. See how smooth the road is. See how clean the state is. And you are jumping from one flyover to the other, one flyover to the other. And you are telling us what are we celebrating? Shame unto you. Shame unto you. You are saying what you are celebrating when your president said, look, it doesn't matter. This man is the best as far as infrastructure is concerned. And you are saying what are we celebrating? We are celebrating your failure. You have told lies to your people. You are going to make them minister grade A. What did you get? Nothing. You tell them, you give them executive director project. Today, in NDDC, did you get anything? Telling people lies up and down. You don't even know when to stop. I'm happy that even your people, those who are following you, if they are still remaining, mention one person in a local government today that you can pinpoint to say, this man is with me. An influential person in any local government. Mention one. Because their lies have come out open. Enough is enough. I'm not the one who said people should leave your party. We have used projects to demystify you. And federal government now know you're a bloody liar. They know. You tell me as a minister, what did you bring to this state? You say even in your community, Ubima, you say you're going to bring universal of transportation. Is it there? You say you're going to give us even the old gauge. I don't know what you will call it. Narrow gauge. You say you will give us. Have you given us? Mention one thing you can say. That you can come home today to tell the people of Rivers State, when I was a minister, because I was close to Mr. President, Mr. President gave me this, Mr. President gave me that. Come and mention it. Nothing. So we are going home fulfilled that we have not disappointed our people. We have not. Go and see the solid infrastructure we have laid in this state, and we'll continue to. You're angry because every day, because you don't want to see it, you must see it. If you like, put off AIT, you must watch channel. If you like, put on channel, you must watch TVC. If you like, put on TVC, you must watch NTA. You must. If you don't watch it, your people will tell you. So, what do you have to offer? You have nothing to offer. All you want to come and present to Rivers people, the same man, two of you, your business partner, and you took all our structures. Olympia Hotel, where is it today? All the gas turbine that Dr. Peter bought, where is it today? So, what are you talking about? So you think Rivers people are foolish to say that you are bringing somebody, your business partner, to come and be governor. So you continue to loot where you stopped. It will never happen. Will it happen? Will it happen? You know, I have told people, be careful. Be careful of the statement you make. You don't have any more as far as this state is concerned to talk about development. You cannot. I'm sure in your quiet moment, you feel so bad that, look, I was wrong. Even though we know you, you'll be doing garang, but all of us will know that there's nothing in you. We have sucked everything in you out. And let me tell you, this election is not the 2019 election. You think you can chief of army staff, then will help you to bring soldiers. Dare it again. Dare it again. Anywhere you're going, you're carrying 30 mopo. In your own state, who is killing you? Who is killing you? Because your hands are not clean. Come and go to people's house when the owners of the house are not there now. Has that one not ended? Everybody has known you. So, my dear people of Rukpakwulusi and Eliogbolo, let me thank all of you and to assure you that we'll continue by the grace of God till May 29th, 2023. We will not be tired of working. And please, Eberechi, who said you are the leader of our serving, we must keep our eyes open. We must not allow these armed robbers to come and tell our people lies and deceive them. We started commissioning since 14th of November. We are ending 2nd of December. Who has not seen what we are doing? It's only, even the blind can feel that something is going on. It's only the agents of Satan. You know, Satan can never be happy when good things are going on. So these people who are talking are agents of Satan on earth. But shame on them that God, who has been with us, will continue to be with us. And I'm happy with our people. Monday, the IG is coming here. Well, in fact, I'm even getting tired. People are saying, you don't do. You don't do, go. You have done very, very well. I love my people. I love my state. I love my local government. You don't like your own. You say, oh, I've been buying properties. I thank God it's properties I'm buying. I'm not destroying homes. It's better if I have money to buy property than to take it and go and destroy innocent people's homes. A cursed child is a cursed child. And you must remain as a cursed child. So on this note, let me invite